In today's economy, relying on just one source of income is no longer safe. That assess why today I am breaking down the most powerful side hustles. Freelancing, graphic design, social media management, copywriting, and virtual assistants are in massive demand. You can learn any of these skills in 30 to 45 days and start earning right from home. Second, AI-powered side hustles. With AI tools, content creation, video editing, thumbnail design, automation services, and even research-based tasks have become faster and more efficient. AI lets you handle more clients in less time, without burnout. Third, product-based side hustles. Dropshipping, print-on-demand, Amazon KDP, and Etsy digital products are low-investment online business models. Success depends on consistency, smart niche selection, and quality offerings. Fourth, service-based local side hustles. Tutoring, fitness coaching, photography, home organization, and other local services are high-paying with low competition. If you already have a skill, this is one of the easiest ways to monetize it fast. If you want to level up financially in 2026, having at least one side hustle is essential. So tell me which category you want to start with. Digital, AI-based, product-based, or service-based? Put it in the comments, and I'll create a personalized guide for you. If you want success in 2026, subscribe to me and become my friend.